This is our first project we did in woodwork, and we learned a lot of skills from it, ranging from the coping saw to like drills and wood filler. And we also learnt how to sand things down and coat it with the varnish at the end. Lots of students chose different animal shapes, and we'll get on to painting them into their animal style shortly.
The challenges I faced during the desktop organiser project was cutting out the nose and sanding it. If you cut too close to the nose, you would have to re-cut and sand. When I cut too close to the nose and I started to sand, it made the nose too pointy and too small. The way I overcame this was I had to re-measure and re-cut the nose, and this time I did not cut so close to the line, so when I sanded it, it had the perfect shape and it was not too close to the line.
When I started making the desk organiser project, the skills that I learned was to use a coping saw. We used the coping saw to cut different sides of angles and intricate designs. Another skill that I learned was to use to change the different drill bits to make indents in our project and make different size holes.
What I've been loving about woodwork so far is getting to learn all new skills like using different tools or learning how to assemble something, and I would definitely encourage people to do it because it's a good way to try new things, learn new skills and have fun.